Wealth does not help win custody battles. Florida judges care about the best interest of the children, regardless if the family has significant wealth or limited financial resources. All that matters is what's best for your children. Just because one parent might have significantly more resources financially than the other does not impact whether they should be entitled to more time sharing than that parent. The court presumes that 50-50 time sharing is in the best interest of the minor children, regardless of the financial resources of the parties. That is a rebuttable presumption, but wealth has very little to do with it. We often hear stories of someone threatening to take the other party's children and time sharing away because they have more resources financially than them. That's just not an accurate presumption of what happens in Florida family law. The court will get to know the parties in the process and then determine what they think is best for the children. Again, one party having more money than that rarely has any effect on what happens with the time sharing between the parties. The parties' resources are absolutely relevant when setting child support, and one aspect of child support would be private school tuition. There is the option to ask for the continued enrollment in private school tuition through the divorce process, and the court will do so if the party's standard of living supported that during the marriage, and the parties have the financial resources to continue to contribute to that private school tuition post-dissolution. In high net worth cases, there can often be complex marital assets and liabilities, which can sometimes result in additional litigation and make a case more contested. However, the financial issues are often kept very separate from the parenting issues because, again, the court wants to determine what's in the best interest of the minor child, regardless of the financial resources of the parties. And the court will turn to the statutory factors to determine what is best for the time sharing for these particular parties. It's important not to involve the children in the contested dissolution of marriage and to protect them from the litigation between the parties. If you have any questions regarding divorce and child custody in high net worth families, contact us at Johnson Ritchie Family Law.